In this Honeygain review, I'm going to be showing you a website in which you could be sharing your internet bandwidth and make some extra money on the side. I'm going to tell you how much money you could be making with Honeygain. So stick around till the end of this video as I'm going to show you if Honeygain is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi, and if you want to get my #1 recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. You will also get a free affiliate marketing guide. So let's get into the video. So Honeygain is basically, as I said, is an internet bandwidth. You have to share your internet and you'll get paid some extra little bit money here and there. So I'm going to tell you guys how much you could be getting, but before that, the way you can use this is that you could be installing this into the Google Chrome store. If you press over here, and you could get a $2 bonus, which is nice. And also you could be installing this to your app, your MacBook, laptop, computer. So whatever device you have, you could be installing it, and you could be getting a $2 nice. It's actually a gift from Honeygain, so that's kind of nice. And basically how it works is, so what Honeygain does is Honeygain will use your internet bandwidth, and Honeygain has partnered with many companies like ad partnership companies, and they want to see the prices in different parts of the world, which is why they want this internet bandwidth, and these partners pay Honeygain as well, and that's how Honeygain is able to pay you as well. So by sharing your internet bandwidth, so the leftover internet that you're not using, you could be sharing with them. So that's how it works, and it's how they make money and how you could be earning money as well. But the thing about this Honeygain is that you couldn't be making a lot of money. It's not like life-changing money or anything like that. So Honeygain is one of the first internet sharing website, and it has been there for quite a lot of time. It has got 18,859 reviews on Trustpilot. That is a lot of reviews. It has got good reviews as well. I'm going to show you all of that, but it has been there for a lot of time. But making money with just sharing your internet is not going to make you a lot of money. And if you look here, you could be making some money with extra things, like you could be doing like daily tasks, you could be doing achievements, you could be doing content delivery, and if you could be doing referrals. Basically you invite other people to the website. If you do all this, you might get a little bit more money, but by just sharing, bandwidth sharing is not that much money. Which is what I want to tell you guys. And once I have done this Honeygain myself and have used it for almost 30 days, and I got just under $1. I made around like 80 cents, something like that. So that's how much I could be making. And if you're part of the world where it's actually if it's an English speaking country, so I'm not from a country where it's Indian speaking, English speaking, because I am from Asia. But if you're part of the world where it's an English speaking country, and that's where Honeygain really needs your internet bandwidth, and they want to compare it with these ad partnerships and all of that. So if you're part of the world, you could be potentially making about $3 to $5 per month passively. Yes, it's passive income. You could be making just only like $3 to $5. So it really depends. But if you add all of this, if you do the daily task, achievements, content delivery, and referrals, you could be making a little bit more for sure. But it's not going to be life-changing income or anything like that. The maximum you could be going is up to, if you're like a normal person, you could be going up to like $10 to $20 dollars per month. So that's basically even $20 per month is a lot of money. I think you could be on the sweet spot if you spend a little bit money hustling on this. I think you could get up to $10, maximum up to $15 per month. But if you have like a huge audience, and if you promote Honeygain, you could be making quite a lot of money with the referrals. But that's only if you really have a huge audience or a lot of friends. If you have that, you could be making money with the referrals as well. So that's it for Honeygain on the front end of Honeygain. So let's go and look at some of the reviews of Honeygain. So they have a lot of reviews and 4.6 star review. So this app is actually legitimate and you don't have to worry if it's a scam or anything like that. You could actually go to the reviews and have a look at yourself. So there is like a lot of reviews you could be looking at. So it's a good app. You can see, well, if something, okay. So there are quite a lot of good reviews, I would say. So good app for all jags. Then you have best earned app. So people usually are having a lot of good reviews. So there is nothing to be worried about the potential, scam parts of this make money online website. But Honeygain as a website, it's legitimate. It has been there for a lot of time. But the amount you could be making every single month, it could be like by sharing just internet, it's going to be less than $5 per month, which is very, very low. And the way you could be withdrawing from Honeygain is by PayPal, and also you could be withdrawing it to a token called Jump Token. It's basically a cryptocurrency. So they have partnered with them, and you could be withdrawing with either Jump Token or PayPal. But PayPal, they take usually 3 to 5% fees. But in the case of Honeygain, for some reason, they are actually charging a lot more money. So you could be getting charged up to 15% if you're using PayPal, which is kind of not that nice. And also, if you're using the Jump Token to withdraw, you could be, turning the Jump Token into Bitcoin, maybe Bitcoin to Ethereum, or Ethereum to cash. You could be doing anything with that. But still, there is going to be some amount of fees here and there. So that's one thing to remember also. So Honeygain, as an overall internet sharing app, it's actually a fantastic app. It has been there for a lot of time, and people are finding it really amazing to make some passive income on the side. It's not going to be life-changing income or anything like that. It's going to be less than $5 by sharing internet bandwidth. So that's basically it for this video of Honeygain. Now, if you're still watching this video and if you're looking for a way to make big money online, I'm talking about a way to make, up to $1,000 per month, up to $5,000, or even up to $10,000 per month. If you're looking to make that kind of money, I have a strategy that has personally helped me to get to that level. So if you want to get this, you can get it by clicking the first link in the description in which you will get my free affiliate marketing guide as well as my #1 recommended system. So if you want to go check it out, you can check it out. So that's basically it for this video, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.